Okay, boys and girls, so we're back in my storage room. I've got two of the Bitaxe Gamma 601s from DTV Electronics set up in here. One with no case, one with the case, kind of measuring thermals, getting an idea of if there's any bottlenecks coming from thermals or if just a difference in temperatures. Currently, temperature in the room is 67 degrees. I was really sure that there's going to be some thermal differences between case and caseless. So let's go to the computer and check it out. They've been doing about an hour burn-in at hashing power, no overclocks. Let's go look. All right, so let's look at the mining rig computer. And let's go look at the Bitaxe that's currently hashing, both of them. Okay, so the one in the case, 59.4 degrees Celsius on the ASIC, 78 degrees Celsius on the voltage regulator. Like I said, I know there's a difference. It's gotta be. So right here, 57.6 on the ASIC and 70 on the voltage regulator. That's an 8-degree difference being in the case or being open air. Now that's big because that voltage regulator is getting hot, and I know it is. I've seen videos about it. I've seen people put heat sinks and stuff on. But I was really curious about it, so I had to test it for myself. And in that case, I knew it was going to be restrictive. And I think the reason it's restrictive is you're only centimeters off the base of the ground where it sits. You know what I mean? Now maybe do a test with it upright. That's a good idea. Maybe I'll do that. But for right now, we know now that inside that case, that voltage regulator is too high. 8-degree difference, a little bit of a difference on the ASIC, 57.5 right now, 59.5. So yeah, there's 2-degree difference. I mean, that's not bad. It's a difference. And obviously in thermals, the more consistent hashing power with the better thermals. So yeah, pretty cool. We'll be testing some other stuff. What if we just set up a fan right by it? What if we add heat sinks one at a time to see what happens? But that's the plan. Stick with me here and we'll do some more testing. Peace out.